Hello students, welcome to my channel Maths with Pannu. Today we will discuss about some problems that are based on probability. So let us start. Suppose that we take an example. A committee of two persons is selected from two men and two women. What is the probability that the committee will have no man, one man, two men? So, students, first of all, to solve the probability, we can write here total number of persons. How many persons we have? We have two men and two women. So that's why we take 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 because we have two men and two women. So total persons are 4. Okay. Now to find the probability of no man, students, you can see that we have total persons obviously, but it is the compulsion in our question that we have to choose two persons at a time. Okay, it is the condition that we have to choose two persons because in the first line you can see that a committee of two persons is selected. This line is very important in this question because two persons is selected. This is the main condition, and means if we have total four persons, then it is the compulsion that we have to choose basically only two persons. So this is the sub case in our question. If it says us only we have to choose one man, suppose that, and we have four persons, then we can write the probability of 1 by 4. But he says that obviously you have to choose no man, but you have also the condition that you have to select two persons mostly. Then to find the probability of this type of questions, first of all, we here write the total persons in the place of n, because you know that the formula of NCRC means combination. Means we write here at the in the place of n, we can write here total number of persons. Then total number of persons are 4 here, and we have to choose two persons. That's why the value of r is 2. Okay, and first of all we complete our formula, and he says that you have to choose no man. Then obviously we have choose only women's, and we have two women's in our question. So that's why we have to choose two persons, and these persons are only two women's, and this is the case of no men. Means we have to take only women's, and here we have the number of women's is 2, and we have to choose two women's. Now it is the question how we can solve it. To solve this question, we have used the formula. We are using the formula NCR, and the formula of NCR is n factorial upon r factorial and n minus r factorial. And students, we have to apply this formula in our question. So in the first question, you can see that you have 2C2 because the value of NCN is, you can solve firstly by the formula 2 factorial, and here the value of n, the value of r is same, and 2 minus 2 we get 0 factorial, and it is the formula of factorial that 0 factorial is 1. This is the formula of combination, students. So you have 0 factorial is 1, and ultimately you get 2 factorial upon 2 factorial, by cancelling it you get 1. Means the formula of NCN you can see that only 1. Okay. Sorry for that. Now the probability of 2C2, we have solved it and we get 1. Now it is the term of 4C2 and you can solve it separately, and you can write here 4 factorial upon 2 factorial, and you can write here 4 minus 2 factorial, and 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. Now you can solve this, and you can open the 4 factorial up to 2 factorial. Okay, and you can write 2 factorial as it is, and you can open the second term by cancelling 2 factorial from the numerator and denominator, and you can cancel the 4 by 2 and you get your answer 6. So in this way the answer of numerator is 1 and the answer of denominator is 6. So you can get 1 upon 6. This is your answer. Now what is our second conditions? Our second condition is that one man, okay, and we have two men, so we can choose one man from the two men. So for this you can see that okay, you can see that when we solve the condition of one man, we have the totally of 4 students and you can choose 2 students, and we have 2 men, so that's why we can choose one man from the 2 men, and we have to choose one woman because we have to select 2 persons. And if we take one man from the 2 men, then we have to choose one woman from the 2 women's, and you can solve it. You can remember that we can when we solve it, 2 factorial, n factorial, r factorial, n minus r factorial, and in this way n factorial upon r factorial and n minus r factorial, and in the same way you get the denominator as 6. You have to solve it in previous part, and we get 2 factorial upon 1 factorial, and in this way, because the formula of NC1, you can see that by solving it you get n. Okay, and 2 factorial and 2 factorial, when you open this 2 multiply 1 you get 2, 2 to the 4, and you get 4 upon 6, and by cancelling it on the table of 2 you get the answer 2 upon 3. Okay students, now our third condition is that we have to choose 2 men, and you know very well we have 2 men, and in this question we have to choose 2 men, then we write here 2C2. Okay, now you know very well the value of 2C2 is 1 because NCN is equal to 1, and 4C2, the value of 4C2 is 6. So we get our answer 1 by 6. So students, this is the question that based on the probability as well as combination, and we will discuss our next questions in my next videos. Thank you so much.